Hi, welcome to our How to Create a Character video. Now that you have researched the character types, attributes, and traits available for this project, please complete the next portion. Our objective for this portion of the project is to create a character for a fantasy story using the format provided. Once your character has been created, you will write a backstory for your character using the specific character traits and attributes you have included on your character sheet. Please take a minute to read our instructional standards for this portion of the activity.
Soundstripe.
Creating a character. The following video will provide you with step-by-step instructions on how to create your character for this project. Remember that your character's traits, both external and internal, must be clear and will be incorporated into their background. These traits will play a large part in your character's role in the fantasy story that your group will be writing. Please watch the video and follow the directions, stopping and rewatching as necessary. As always, please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.
Dungeons & Dragons, better known as D&D, is a tabletop role-playing game where players interact with one another and their characters using their character traits to enjoy cooperative gameplay. Before you begin, you should have a set of dice, a player's handbook, a character sheet, and a pencil. It's important to use a pencil rather than a pen so that you are able to erase and change numbers as needed. Characters in a D&D game can be as unique as their players, so it's important to create a character that you will enjoy writing about. Within the player's handbook, you will find many options to customize your character. To start off, you will need to select a race for your character, followed by your class, which is the specific role that your character plays. There are many options for character races in the player's handbook. Each race has its own unique features and characteristics. As for the class options within the player's handbook, you may choose between Barbarian, Bard, Cleric, Druid, Fighter, Monk, Paladin, Ranger, Rogue, Sorcerer, Warlock, and Wizard. For the purpose of this video, we will be building a human monk. Now that we know what type of character we will play, now it's time to roll for ability scores. In D&D, ability scores help determine internal and external characteristics. The 6 ability types are Strength, Dexterity, Constitution, Intelligence, Wisdom, and Charisma. To roll your scores, you will need your dice. For many tabletop role-playing games, the dice are referred to by the letter D followed by the number of sides the die has. To roll your ability scores, you will need 4 D6s. Because there are 6 abilities, you will need to roll 6 different times, adding up the total from each die, ignoring the lowest number rolled. Now that we have our 6 ability scores, check for any racial bonuses your character may receive. Humans get a +1 bonus to all 6 attributes. You will want to assign your highest rolls to your most important ability scores. For a monk, these are Dexterity followed by Wisdom. Next, you'll need to assign the remaining rolls to your abilities as you see fit. Strength will determine how strong your character is. Dexterity determines your character's agility. Constitution is their overall vitality. Intelligence is what they know. Wisdom is their ability to apply what they know. And charisma is the ability to act in social situations. The next step in our character creation is identifying the rest of our proficiencies. Monks do not wear armor. Instead, they rely on their dexterity and their wisdom to protect them. They may use simple weapons and short swords and get one artisan tool or musical instrument of their choice. Monks can also choose 2 skills from acrobatics, athletics, history, insight, religion, and stealth. These are all important decisions in helping to determine the choices that your character may make in the story. The player's handbook will tell you the starting equipment your character may choose from. The final step of the character creation process is to identify any special class features your character may receive.
The following are references and resources used to help create this video. If you have any questions, please let me know. Once you are done, please proceed to the next portion of the assignment. Thank you.